Goofy Mario always taking the spot. Well, now it's my turn. Now it's my turn to rap. I'm about to Thanos snap. You should clean the dishes all day instead of playing those games. You're so lazy sitting on that chair, and I'm just about to flare up in flames. You can't stop this train. You can't stop me, 'cause I'm about to drop the beat. Boys, sit back, relax, 'cause you're about to get smacked. So get ready, bro, 'cause you should already know I will destroy you now. Let's go. So get ready, I'm about to smack all that pizza in your hands, 'cause I'm about to find you taking a massive poo. You think you can just bully me all day? Well, I'm happy to say I've come back with some food that is healthy for you. Oh no, well, you should get back here instead of trying to reach that tier. I'm trying to make you healthy and fit, but you're